I hope you are all doing well. It's few days before Christmas and I thought I would share one more Christmas cookies recipe with you. You know that last year I posted 4 recipes for traditional Czech cookies. I'm gonna list them all in the description box, and they are walnut croissants, linzer cookies, coconut meringue cookies, and a chocolate coconut roll. One of them is gluten-free, one of them is no-bake, so it's super quick. And today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful pecan and orange zest snowballs. They are really amazing. This is the first time I actually made these. I saw the recipe and I thought that's definitely like the flavors that I like. But before I show you this recipe, I wanted to thank you for watching my videos, for supporting me. I highly appreciate it. And I wanted to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I hope you have an amazing time and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Take care. And when the dough is ready, prepare a large baking tray and put a baking sheet on it. And now grab small pieces of dough and create a little ball. And just try to make them all the same size in order to get an even bake on them. And when you have the ball shape, put them into the preheated oven. And as the last step, we're going to be covering the snowballs in powdered sugar. So whilst they're baking, prepare a bowl and put some icing sugar in there. So I had them in the oven for 25 minutes in the end. You see they flattened just a little bit, but they still look very beautiful. They have to be firm on the top. So now that they cool down just a little bit, I'm going to coat them in the sugar. I just wanted to show you the bottom so you see the color after 25 minutes. And just put them in the bowl with the sugar. You can coat multiple at the same time. Just tap it off a little bit and put it on a plate or in a container where you're going to be storing it. And I'm going to be storing them in the fridge or outside if your climate is cold.